Hi there, and welcome to the Ingles table. Today we're whipping up something delicious again in the kitchen. Join me as I show you how to make my Puttanesca sauce, traditional Italian sauce that I'm going to serve over a bed of orzo pasta with some grilled off shrimp. So the first thing we're going to have to do is get the sauce going. So let's get started. In a screaming hot pan right here, I'm going to put in a little bit of olive oil. And like any good Italian sauce, start off with onions. Get those sauteing around and softened up. To the onions, we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of garlic, a couple tablespoons of capers, drained, a couple tablespoons of minced black olives, about a teaspoon and a half of red pepper flake. Get all this stirred around and let this cook for a minute or two, enough to get the flavors blended together. To this, we're going to add in 1/4 to 1/3 of a cup of fresh basil. To this, we're going to add 2 cups of diced Roma tomatoes. And to this then, 2 cups of a good tomato sauce. If you have something homemade that you canned yourself, hey, use it. We're gonna put in anchovies. Now, if you wanna use fresh anchovies or canned anchovies, I would take 2 or 3 anchovies. You don't want too much, but 2 or 3 anchovies minced up into it. Or, to make things easier and so that you can use it for the future too, get looks like a toothpaste tube of anchovy paste right in the dry goods section or the specialty section at Ingles. Anchovy paste in a small tube. You can easily squirt out about 2 teaspoons, just like that. Seal it back up. Put a lid on this. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, and it will be ready for dinner. Okay, our sauce, our Puttanesca sauce has been simmering for about 10 minutes now. We're going to give it a quick stir. I've got my orzo pasta heated up with the cooked shrimp on top in the serving bowl. Very simple. I just take a ladle full and just lay it right over top of this. To garnish it, I always like taking just a little more fresh basil and just sprinkle a little basil on the very top. Some little ribbons of basil. Fresh basil never hurt anybody. And that's it for the Puttanesca sauce over my orzo pasta. Thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table. Make sure and explore the website for more great tips, tricks, and recipes. And you know what else? If you go to the Ingles Market, you can find the Ingles Table magazine, chock full of recipes and tips and loads of things to make your next dinner preparation a lot easier. You can find us all online at ingles-markets.com. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.